Hey guys, can you hear me? I started like half an hour early because I want to catch a trade in this start of Asia. I'm looking at silver and gold right now, even on BTC. I'm looking for a long, but on silver and gold, I'm looking for a short, a bit above from here. Like this is the area I'm currently looking at, 4,800 to 4,900. Well, people mostly know like the stream was gonna start at 12 a.m. UTC. We start like half an hour early because I just want to catch trade. I'll just like wait a bit more for people to join and pay to develop when we start the actual stream. I didn't see anyone coming here till now. Okay, that's fine. I'm looking for handful long in this area. On gold, I would like for some retracement before taking a long. I'm looking for at least 47,600. So 47.60. If you get tapped around here, I would put it into long till 48. Let's see if he develops the way we wanted to today. Yesterday was not so well. We took like one loss and we still have the same trade running that we had started in the session. I see some people coming in. That's fine. I want the BTC to enter in this extreme of mine. And this is all for me too long. The way the lows are holding, I think this might just be the local bottom. And the price would just go back up from here. I'm willing to give it like a small shot. $16,500 is quite nice for TP. The lows are holding. I don't see like any other trade. Let's see if there's a good setup for GDP or euro. Let's just start. We haven't even started Asia yet. Okay. Pre-Asia trade. Let's go. 67,500 will be the SO. Long BTC 67,500. That's the SO. Oh, it's quite long. Is it 600? It's around 600. What I don't want it to happen is that it goes down straight from an SO. Something like this. Pre-Asia, like scam. It happened to me like multiple times. The only reason I'm quite fasting right now. Okay, I can also see some correlation with NOS and silver. Yeah, it's coming down. Should we go for a long? Let's see. So here's what needs to pump around here. So okay, we'll just trade what we can see and what we react on, like where the market price reacts. If the price gives you like an entry around here, there is a body of great structure around here. Let's see. Okay, I'm risking like 500. Added TP was like around 69,500, 69,600 in this case. Lower time frame, there is a setup in euro. It looks clean to me, by the way, like for a long. Okay, before I can see some people here. Before we start the session, for those who are new here, if they're new here, I'm One Piece. I trade primarily gold and crypto. As you can see, I am also into forex and indices a lot. In this session, we're gonna focus on execution, how the structure rotates on real time. Um, like after seeing the analysis, we're gonna like trade on some coins or metals or indices, whatever we trade on. I will be giving you real time trading, like how I read the market and how I read the structures following it. I'm also gonna share how I'm gonna like manage the risks on the trades I take. If I'm gonna like skip any trades, or if I'm gonna like take any trades, I will be sharing why and how. But just to let you know, this is not a financial advice. This is all just like how I read the markets, right? So if you are here to learn, you are in the right place. I will be giving out market updates in the NV session because like in the Asia session, I could tell like on a higher time frame it's gonna be like the same thing as I told you in the previous sessions. I would like the price to rotate back to its low from here. Not gonna lie, there is an NPOC which has been tapped like multiple times now, and below this there is nothing for me. I think like the next stop is gonna be like around 62,700. Before that there is no longer. And above there, if we are looking for a shot, there are multiple places. First of all, it's just at the right place. I was looking at this before. I did share in the previous sessions that 69 is something like I would be willing to take a short from, but until this low holds, I will be just like longing. In case this low breaks, I might be willing to enter in a short when the price comes back to its like, retracement. From there, I'm gonna go short from there to its 62k. Another POI of mine is just above these highs. There is an FEG at 72.73. If the price goes there, I would be willing to take a shot. Now coming back to this lower POI, we are currently in a range still. This Asia sessions should pump the markets up. Let's see, like on Euro, I was expecting like these highs to be taken down. These highs to be taken down. But we are currently in a chop, so I'm avoiding trading on it. I have like the entry from below, so there is no need for me to like enter around here. US oil is still in a chart, like there is currently no move from it. I am hoping like these lows to hold and it to pump like at least towards this high 103 and come back towards 95. But if we go like straight 95, there's a huge chance that we'll pump from there. Something like this or something. I come back. Just had some issues with the internet. Okay. Can you guys hear me well now? If you guys can't hear me, just let me know in the chat. We are starting to see some reaction here. Let's see. On gold, I'm expecting a bit lower. From around here. Let's see if the price comes there. Like it might, because now silver has 4-hour FVG at this area at 73.5. So if the price comes here, we will be willing to take a long. So on a chart is so bad, so bad. Got some other points like pipe. Except for gold and silver, everything's so dumping. On lower time frame, silver looks good holding right now. Let's see on gold. By the way, if I see price coming back in this area, it goes up. Now there is a short POI at 47.80. This would be the play here. Let's see. If we see some rejection from here, we will be closing the long bet. If not, then I will be holding the long till 4800 or even above. Current long on BTC is still in the works. Let's see if the price is holding. Asia starts in like 7 minutes. There might be some scamming move before that. Let's see. Okay, it's going for another lower high. I would like to short at this POI. BTC looks like it's gonna be like a do or die situation. Though it's holding. Once you start Asia, it will be giving the real move. See, there is people around here. I'll wait for a confirmation, like once price comes in this short POI of mine. If I see a rejection, I will be entering right away. My SL at this high, 4800. But if I don't see the rejection, or if I see like a straight pump, this, then I will not be taking this. Because what it can do is it could go up like this, because my POI is in this zone, right? 48 to 49. On a high time frame, I have a good POI from 48 to 49. What I do believe the price is gonna like reject either from 0.5 of this, or after just tapping this, we will be seeing some rotation back towards either 46 or even lower, 44. If these two POIs don't hold, then I might be able to even see 42 or even lower. It depends. We also like NP tomorrow. That's nice. I might just build up liquidity for NFP tomorrow. Okay, I don't see many people here, so I'm just going back. issue markets are open. Let's see. Okay, everything's dumping. In the start of Asian market, everything's dumping. Whether it be US oil, Dixie itself hasn't shown much move. NAS is dumping too. Let's see if we can make a long from around here. BTC is still looking to dump a bit. We have like SL at 67,500, yeah, that's fine. And we are looking at the TP 69,500. Things are starting to move now. Thoughts on gold or NQ? For gold, let me share on a high time frame. I did told before. I will be sharing it again. Okay, look, on a high time frame, I have a POI in this specific zone at 48 till 49. Okay, there is a good resistance in this area because it also correlates with the breaker block, which is at 0.5. So in case we tap this, like just a tap, something like this on a lower time frame in this area, 48, 40, 50, then we will be rotating back towards 4600, even lower, might be. If not 4600, if the price does not stop there, we'll be rotating back towards 4400. If not there, 4200. Okay, I'll let me share with the diagrams, right? from here, either stop here. If it does not, it will like slow grind back to its more 4400. If it does not, slow grind more to its 4200, which is like an extreme right now. From 4200 we can see a pump back towards up, right? Either we take down this high again, go towards either 4800, like the 0.5 of this, or even higher, like where this order block ends at 4900, then come back towards 3800. This is like a long-term play which I am currently looking at. But in case like the way geo or graphical things are working, if the macros are in the play, we might also see the price rotating back towards from here towards the 80H or even this far. It also depends on how the prices react with the news. So for now, what I'm doing is I'm just like waiting for my POIs to hit and seeing like how it's gonna like play out. It kind of correlates with my current silver point of view, like on a higher time frame. I did share like there's a good resistance at 75, and the market is trying to break it multiple times, but it's failing to do so. Like there has been like multiple attempts, but it's not able to like completely break it. Once it breaks, there is the next BOI is at around 79, which is possible if the price on BTC go towards 49 or 48.50, or like 0.5 of that move, yeah, around 48.50. So for now, I am willing to go for a short once the prices come back in this zone at 40, like anything in this zone, like 48.10 to 48.30. If I see good reaction, like good rejection, like something like this, I see a break of structure, I would be willing to take a short with my TP, like, or with my SL at the high. I would be like willing to even target like for 0.3R, like 3R from here towards this low, or even this extreme at 46, so 4700. This is the view currently on gold. Moving on towards NQ. I think NQ should be exhausted by now, but if it does not, there is a higher POI, which is at these highs. I think if it does give a little bit more move, it should be around 44, 45. Then it should come back towards these lows, because there is a good POI below, which I'm currently still looking for. If it does not tap or we front run it, then there is another case on a 4-hour. We might be able to see a chop in this area before moving back towards up. Do you have like any other questions? Do ask in chat. Start of market, we have seen 3% move up and down in silver, while gold was just moving around here. Crazy. Let me look at Ethereum. Well, Ethereum is still in the play. We did discuss in the last session, I guess, that if these lows hold, the next POI I'm looking to short is around 2200 or 2300. In case if we see like a consolidation in that area, we will be rotating back towards higher POIs, which are at 2500 or 2600. So for now, on a lower time frame, it's bullish for me. Even Ethereum, even Solana. Solana has like a bad PE right now, but once it breaks this structure, like let me show you this range. Once it breaks it, we might be able to see some good moves. It's currently in a good area for long, but I would be willing to take a long, specifically under this low. Sorry, let me show you. Yeah, something like this would be quite nice on Solana. But the way Solana has done previously, let me show you the previous PAs. Just below the lows. It currently has a bad history with the lows, so I'm not willing to trade on Solana for now until the PA is clear. The main play will be just BTC. Looking for a short at 48, 20, 30 on gold. Let's see if there is any trade to take on USDT. Your USD up. I think silver is going for the break. Yep. On 1 minute, let's go for a break. We have been in this range for some time now. Let's see if it breaks above in slow grinds, we might be able to see some higher PORs to the top, like 78, 79. But in case we just like go up and break down to its low and a step back in this range, then expect like 73 or 74. What do you guys think? Like, is it better to trade silver or gold? For me, it's always been like gold, but these days, for the past 2 days, it's just like stopping me out. So I'm trying to like go for silver this time, because like silver has a good PR. We have Trump's speech within the next hour. Don't do that. Let me see. Trump's speech today. Okay. 9 p.m. ET USA. Okay. Damn. Oh, by the way, like, what's 9 p.m. USA time in my zone? Oh, I guess like, yeah, he has a speech in the next hour, like in 45 minutes. Damn. He's gonna like shake up the market again. So I think it's right for me to close all the trades and just wait it out. Let's see. I will not be surprised if gold pumps like 5-6% today, because like we have like NFP tomorrow and speeches today. So let's see. The 79 area now looks impossible for me to look at on silver. BTC is starting to make a move. Let's see if we can like break above this hard. I guess because of the speech there is no volatility in the market. I don't see the price moving a bit. Analysis in this situation for like 2 hours now. And your USD is not moving much. Nothing's moving. Oh, I saw it saves low. Just check now. The interpretation is quite correct for me. It goes below this. This low is not gonna survive. The next POI is below 94.95. But the way I just feel like there was a speech with Trump, like on Iran, so we will be seeing good volatility on oil. I might just close the trade break even if it comes. Yeah, they're waiting for it. I can see some slow grind up. There is like no confirmation about it. We need to break above this high for the side like either to hold or close. It comes back towards entry now, it's gonna be like the same thing again. Checking 15 seconds. Okay. This is short. It's only 5 minutes. Try a small shot around here. Let's see. Oh, it already pumped. Let's see if I can enter 4,800. If I see the lows holding, I might just close 48, 45, 4804, 2.5. TP will be at low 4776. Let's see, and so where it kind of correlates. Risk is minimal, it's at 0.4%. Something nice and relationship. seen a follow on the short. I just need for it to hold now. Going to see some continuation here that aligns with silver. Some training agriculture is a bit fast and then like source. And you guys on Updares to train for this one. Damn. Hey, Skeptical, you're still here? If you're here, just let me know when the sound is fine and it's not like I'm on a train or something. Is it fine now? Is the background noise come now, like less now? I hope it's less now, but can you guys hear me well? I'm trying to like just set up the mic right now, so just making an edit of here in the train. Yeah, he's skeptical. The background noise is less now, right? If yes, just let me know. In general, as you are roasting me non-stop. I want gold to come a bit more lower for partials. I think like 47.83 would be nice for taking out at least 50%, and we'll let the remaining run with SL break even. Gold is showing like full rotation back, but I hope like this entry is not tapped. While looking at BTC, it's starting to rotate higher now. I'll need to take out like this high before coming back down. Trump is gonna like speak in like 20 minutes. I hope to like close this trade before that. Exact time for Trump's speech. Yeah, definitely. I wish to close this one before volatility comes in. I don't want to be rugged in this trade. There is good volatility below this, like there is a good POI at 47.64. I want that to be taken like at least counter it's 47.82 before going back up. Looking at BTC, it's still at the same price. I'm not moving right now. Even though silver is in a chart high, it's currently in a range. It's getting like more clear, clean like trades than gold right now. It's like just keep longing and you'll make money. Now for people who are here, let's see. There are like 3 people here. It's Manish. Michelle. Literally nothing to do here. Silver played its whole move and gold is still there. Nice. Still I have like 20 minutes. There is no hope of it coming back to its 47. Looking at Solana and CK. mostly whenever the price comes back to your entry, it's 50% that trade is not gonna work. So in such cases, if you are not so confident in the trade, you can like partial out, or if you are confident you can hold, or even like close at break even. That's totally up to you how you manage your risk. I currently only have this trade on BTC open and this trade on gold open. It should give some, good moves in like before 15 minutes. I do not want to hold while Trump is speaking. Third hard is in. If it comes below the slow, partial out for like 50%, around 47.82. This is the sell. Closing around 0.25, a bit below. I'm just gonna like refresh the page before closing. Is it gonna like front run my partial? Damn. I guess market makers are entering right now to trade because the pump is crazy. Let's see if the same pump has happened. You see, no. It's just on gold and silver. By the way, guys, I'm not gonna like wait for the news to happen for now. This is it for today. We will be like trading again in the annual session today. But for now, I'm just gonna like hold till for 10-20 minutes more. This trade I will be taking out 50% and putting my stop loss break even if it comes a bit down like 47.82. As for BTC, I'm gonna like hold this trade. It looks good. If the news is okay, like if the Trump doesn't do something extra, this trade should work. I think so. This trade should work too. It works with the fundamentals, which I trade on. Highs are holding pretty nice. We have seen a break of structure. There's an extreme at 47.83 that needs to be tapped. If it's bullish, it will be holding the low, but at that time we will be having our stop loss break even. So we'll just leave this for now, but do remember to take out like 50% at 47.83 and put the stop loss break even if you are in this trade. For BTC, I'm just like gonna hold it with the SL at the low, 67,500, and there's nothing else to trade on right now. So see you guys in the inner session. For now, like I'll have to say goodbye. I'm quite sleepy.